Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. Today I am going to analyze the movement of natural gas futures in different time frames. Here you can see that since last few trading sessions, natural gas futures have been constantly sliding since May 29, 2019. Here you can see that till June 7, 2019. Let us see this move in a 5-minute chart. Here you can see that in a 5-minute chart that after the announcement of weekly build-up, we have seen a sharp, steep downward move on June 6, 2019. Here you can see that a build-up resulted in a sharp downward move in natural gas futures from the level of $2.390 up to the levels of $2.321, and since then the natural gas futures remained in weakest mode when they touched the lows of $2.305 on June 6, 2019, and here you can see that the natural gas futures were moving in zigzag manners till the weekly closing, but once again the natural gas futures touched the lows of $2.309, and here you can see in a 5-minute chart from these levels natural gas futures started to move upward with a steep upward move up to the level of $2.354, which indicates that finally the natural gas futures have found a bottom here, and now I find that they will no longer to see these levels during the upcoming trading sessions because they have finally found the bottom before moving upward, and I find that in the 5-minute chart they have come above the 200 days moving average, which confirms strength in natural gas futures for the short term, and I find that we will find this strength to remain during the upcoming week. Let us see this move in a 15-minute chart. Here you can see that first the natural gas futures touched the bottom on June 6, 2019 when they touched these levels at the level of $2.305 after moving upward up to these levels. Once again the natural gas futures tried to move downward, but here you can see that the natural gas futures found this level where the natural gas found a good support at these levels at the level of $2.329, from where we can see a sharp upward move up to the level of $2.353. So friends, I find that the natural gas futures look ready for a technical bounce from the current levels, and I find that a gap up opening up to the level of $2.383 will confirm the continuity of a bullish move during the upcoming week. On the other hand, if the natural gas futures find an opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week at the same levels, we will see the natural gas bulls to come forward to take long position from these levels, because I find that the natural gas bulls will find it a good opportunity to go long in natural gas futures, because we are going to see a steep increase in natural gas cooling demand due to the advent of summer season. So in a short while we will see that the natural gas stockpiles will see withdrawals instead of build up. So I find that with escalation on tariff trade war front will negate this oversupply issue of natural gas during the upcoming days. No doubt that the China and the United States both are trying their best to resolve this problem, and on June 28 and 29, the United States President Mr. Donald Trump and the Chinese Prime Minister Mr. Xi Jinping will meet to take a decisive move on the tariff trade war front during the next session of G20 summit. So friends, I find that any downward move in natural gas futures back up to these levels, up to the level of $2.314, will encourage natural gas bulls to go long for an immediate target up to the levels of $2.448 during the upcoming week, because I find that a sustainable move above the level of $2.358 will attract more bulls to go long. So friends, these are my expected opening zones for the upcoming week. Let us see this chart in an hourly time frame. So in an hourly time frame, here I find that the natural gas futures may find a U-shaped recovery during the upcoming week, and no doubt that shortly the natural gas futures will touch the levels of $2.588 during the upcoming week, because finally the natural gas futures have found their bottom here at the level of $2.306. Now the natural gas futures look ready to take a technical bounce from the current levels, which may likely to continue during the upcoming week, when the natural gas futures will try to cross the levels of $2.588. Therefore, I find that a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week at the level of $2.391 will confirm the continuity of this uptrend in natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.